Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that was sent to me by the company. This is from Paldo Food of South Korea. This is their 35th anniversary edition Paldo Bibimmyun. Yeah. See? Pretty cool. This is a cold noodle, although it mentions if you don't like cold noodles, don't rinse it with cold water. So now you know. And this one is how long do you do it? Where's the minutes? 3 minutes. So let's do that. See, I love this. When I have multiple packs, I don't have to do the show you the cut up packaging and the deal. There's really not a lot going on in this one. It's good, but it's pretty simple. One noodle block going in the boil. Drop some wayward noodles on the ground. There we go. Here is the base sachet. This is pretty cool. I like this side. I like that. 3 minutes. Sorry. And we got a fork. And we're gonna go with we're gonna make it cold, but let's see, cook down a little bit. I want this to be a little bit more beefy. And the easiest way to make this stuff beefy is with beef. I've got some stir-fry beef. I'm gonna boil it along with the noodles. You might say, hey, wait a second! I've already had this one, so I know my score on it. But yeah, you can get this stir-fry beef at Safeway. You see how it's cut nice and thin? I got it at Walmart, and it was like wide, flat rectangles. And I was like, this won't cut it. I need the shoestring beef. That's more than enough. Bag this up in a little bit. That's the thing I am super into, if you didn't know. I get cheap beef and I put it in individual Ziplocs, and that way I can take like a pound of beef and make it into like usually like maybe 9 or 10 baggies, which is like just over an ounce each for reviewing. So it's Friday over here. I just threw Miles on the bus, and Mimi's watching something where it looks like it's some little girl opens up and plays with a toy and tells you how wonderful the toy is. I guess that's a big thing that's going on right now. There's this new legislation called COPPA. COP, Child's Online Privacy Protection Act. Oh, God. Freaking hell. Bloody hell. So, it's supposed to, like, protect children's privacy. Well, isn't that what parents are for? So basically now, you have to, like, it's gonna really do anything, you have to mark whether your video is for kids or not for kids. That's groundbreaking. Changing the world with that one. I don't get it. There's so many of these little, like, weird, well, we have to do something. Well, we can do that. Well, what'll that do? Just annoy the creators. But I was able to just click a thing and say that my whole channel isn't for kids. So, not really that it's like, it's not that it's not for kids. I mean, sure, I drop the F-bomb now and again. But, you know, it's not that it's not for kids. It's just like, it's not specifically for kids. That's kind of a thing. But I would just rinse it with cold wawa. There. Now it's been rinsed with the cold wawa. We'll put the sauce inside. Some little girl on YouTube in the background saying, "You're gonna feed the babies." Mimi is just like all wrapped up in that. It's funny. I've had 2 boys and then I had a girl, and it's like there's definite like things like hardwired into kids, it seems like. I don't know, I could be wrong. Maybe I need to have like 20 boys and 20 girls, and then I kind of see a pattern. But I don't know, I get the vibe that little girls are all about babies and being bossy. Well, now she's bossing around the kid on TV. So you just rinse it and then you stir it. It can be a little bit difficult on the stir at the beginning, but just keep stirring it. Do as you're told. I do. Unless I'm doing the tell. Speaking of that, has anybody watched Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome recently? Because I think I'm due. Not only due for a more recent viewing of Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome, but Dune. Desert Planet. Leaping beef. Beefless. Excellent. Spicy. Mung bean sprouts. They give you a lot of sauce in this stuff, so. Wow, what is it with me lately? Bibimmyun isn't like. It's spicy, but it's not like one that makes me go, ooh, that's really spicy. It's making me go, ooh, that's really spicy right now. I only had one bite. I'm like, something's happened to me. I just can't do the spicy like I used to. That makes me feel uncool. Well, we'll have to change that. Maybe I need to do a bunch more spicy. Up my resistance to spicy. I don't know. Alright, let's get you in on the action. Like I mentioned the other day, my tripod is jacked up. That looks more. Yeah. Yes. You can see that. I wish I had some cucumber. That's like the best with this stuff. Also, if you can't find this variety anywhere, it might be because of the time of year. Hopefully you're watching this in summer, because in the summer you'll find this everywhere. It's a cold noodle dish. Dig. Okay. Hopefully this works out. This egg looks to be really, really in the mood to be a troublemaker. So what we're gonna do, yeah, you seem like a troublemaking egg. Did you come from a broken home? Ha ha ha. Get it? Because the egg yolk. Oh, come on, really? It's one of those days. I can feel it. Oh, it could be worse. That did okay. Okay. Slap some onion. A little more onion. Gosh, I really... Oh, I got some of that. I'll use some of that. You're asking that? What that? This that? It's, bamboo shoots. But what I'm curious about, I mean, I got a can of these bamboo shoots. Was it yesterday? Yeah. And they're not pickled. Is it me, or is there any point in having non-pickled bamboo shoots? I just thought that was really weird. I thought they all must be pickled, because they're really good pickled. But I guess some people don't like them pickled, so. I think we're gonna have to leave it at this. No. We'll do a little bit of seed. There we go. Alright, one down, one to go. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.